Been a long time coming, man. I'm still at it.
Lately I've been in the zone like 3, 4. Putting overtime, I'm in beast mode. I hustle and I pray and then repeat both. I'm barely getting sleep, I swear I need more.
Alright, what up, world? Hemingway checking in. Sideways angle. I'm currently on my YouTube page, and I don't know if I got a clip of this the other day, but I had a new comment on one of my videos, and I pulled up like all of my comments that I didn't respond to, and I just went back down and I realized I had add some comments that I might have liked or hearted or whatever, but never actually responded to. And however long, some of these shits are like 2 years old, so I'm just going back responding to everything, really just to kick the algorithm, like to see if that does anything to the algorithm and actually get it moving. Because when you're active and you're responding on your shit, it makes it look like your page is popping. So if I do all these responses today, it might actually like kind of change the algorithm up a little bit. So that's what I'm doing right now, man. Just wanted to get a clip of this and show y'all, because it's like, for one, you should always make sure you're responding as soon as you can to anybody who comments on your page or your videos or anything like that. And if you forget, try to set a time, or just like, you know, a little like a run back period where you go back and scroll through and make sure you did respond, because it's gonna be good for you. Alright, so I don't know how many that was, but it was, I don't know, at least like 25 comments that I didn't respond to. So I just finally gave them a response. I'm really hoping it does, it will like kind of do something, you know what I'm saying? Do something, however the comments work with the algorithm of YouTube, I'm really hoping to do something, kind of show that. Few of these are most likely spam. Okay. They were spam. I had a couple of requests. So, spam. Request. Alright, and then so my laptop just died, so I just got that comment off. I'll be able to send that through my phone. I can't tell if that's on my hair now. But anyway, man, yeah, your boy Hemingway checking in, and about to go set up his truck for the studio session. Real quick, 2 hours, knock that out, and then good, baby. I'm out for the day. I'm tired. I done ate and passed out on the couch like an old ass nigga. But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the page, ring that notification bell. I gotta get a lint roller, cause something got in my dryer. This shit all over the place. Hemingway, checking in. Alright, what up, world? Hemingway checking in, and it just dawned on me that I never really gave y'all the studio review that I said I was gonna give y'all when I got my truck. So I wanted to I didn't really do anything to the inside, didn't really fix it up yet, but I still want to go ahead and give y'all like a wide view just so y'all can see what it looked like. So this is the back of the truck here. We're gonna open it up and show y'all the inside. I hope my camera don't fall on my little rig I got set up right here, but this is the inside of the truck. This is like the best angle to show you directly like what the desk look like and kind of what the space that I have to kind of work with over here. And this corner over here is the booth. I'm gonna kind of swing it around in a second, but ultimately this is, you know what I'm saying, this is my space. Like, I got this space, move around, do what I need to do, you know, go and do my sessions, walk around, stuff like that. I haven't done anything with the roof, the walls. I need to redo the floor, but I got this truck, jumped into it, went ahead, got the power source, tried to work that out. Realized I had to learn a little bit more about keeping the power set up. So I'm probably gonna more than likely I'm gonna do go the solar route, get that on the roof. But once I get that done, then we'll be able to have the power and be able to be mobile. So now I'm just gonna kind of swing around, give details. Sometimes I get a little annoyed when I be doing my vlogs because I do procrastinate. There's times where I procrastinate so much, and I guess this is just a lesson I have to learn, that once you finally want to get to work, then it's like, oh, now people want to hit you up because you procrastinated, you wasted time. Now once you're busy, people want to just start fucking up your time. Like, somebody's still calling me. Who is this? This is the inside of the truck. Basically the widest view I can give y'all. That's the space I got. So we got, of course, the mic stand behind me, and the little padding that I have up here is basically just some, like, you know, the bed padding that you see in a lot of little home studios, but I just kind of folded it up and took the cardboard to put on top of it. That way it can kind of hold that sound in that little corner, almost like that's my little booth. It came with these 2 seats in it right there. This is not trash, don't worry, I recycle. Those are just water bottles. The seats in it are dope because, I mean, I just often tell people 2 people minimum. We COVID, social distance and all that, so I do that. I have my desk as well with everything on it. So, you know, computer, laptop, speakers, all that. And let me see if I can kind of get in the middle, swing around. And, you know, that's the back. So, look, I feel like on camera, look like I don't got no space, but it's decent space in here, man. 12-foot truck, 1-ton truck, yeah. Now, as far as equipment goes, I got my speakers, my same. These are my Alesis, the Iris Series E5, I think, speakers. Not Alesis, I'm sorry, PreSonus Iris Series 5 speakers, or like 5.5 or something like that. Those are my speakers the ones I usually use in the in-house setup. I still have to get some more monitors for the truck setup. I have this DBX compressor right here that I use. It's plugged up. It's the DBX 166XL compressor limited gate. And then I have my ART 2 preamp, and that's what I use as far as, you know, ignore the fun stuff right there, but my ART 2 preamp, and that's what I use for my mic pre. So the mic runs, goes into this, goes out of this, goes into the compressor, goes out of the compressor, goes into the mic import of my interface, my M-Audio interface, still running the Mac Mini. And I got my monitor right there, of course the mic stand and my microphone. Got a pop filter. It's an Audio Technica. This is the AKG P120. My Audio Technica's in the house. This is the AKG P120. Like an $80 mic. My reflexive filter in the back. I had this forever. This shit is like opening up and shit, but it is what it is. Still padding for me. And yeah, man, so pretty much this whole mic stand, other than that mic, is the same old setup. I have some Yamaha headphones for the people that is recording, and I use my Audio Technica. What are these? Audio Technica, I think it goes like 2040 or 4040 headphones, something like that, for when I'm recording and I'm mixing. But yeah, man, it's basically the whole setup. Like, I put the sheets up here. Like I said, I explained what this is. It's the padding and the cardboard, and I have this sheet, or this blanket, which is a real thin blanket, and then the sheet on top of that. And then on this side of the corner over here, I got like the moving blanket, put it up on that side of the corner, and it's just like an extra cushion on this side. And I mean, that's pretty much the whole setup, man. That's basically like my little booth area. When I do fix it out on the inside, the only thing I'm still debating is whether or not I should kind of make this like an actual booth and like box it off, you know what I'm saying, inside, or if I should just leave it all open, because I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna soundproof everything. So but yeah, to anybody questioning the sound, like, I mean, of course I can always go into deep detail with the mixes that I've done with some of the artists that I've been recording, but they aren't really paying me for the full mixing. But my personal stuff, of course, I mix it. Other than there's gonna be natural reverb because there's metal in here, so it's gonna be a little bit more reverb than probably just like an open room. But other than that, man, I mean, tweak your reverb, you're good, bro. And it's still gonna sound A1 quality. So that's my setup. When I get it, I really just want to get it fixed up, man. Once I get it fixed up, I really want to go into detail and do it like that. But this is what I got for now. So until next time, I go by the name of Hemingway. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube page, ring the notification bell, get all my notifications for all my videos. Until next time, I'm out.
They tried to grade me, I passed like Brady, the Lord to save me. I'm lit, not shady, the money's favorite, it's captivating. They tried to play me, it's all forsaken, it's transportation by designation, no